In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove x.com Twitter followers quickly and easily, step by step. If you've ever wanted to clean up your follower list, remove someone from seeing your posts, or just manage your account a little better, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open X and go to your profile from the left navigation menu. On desktop, you'll usually see your profile icon or your name on the left side of the screen. Click that to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for your followers count. This is the number that shows how many people are following your account. Click on that followers number to open your full followers list. After that, you'll see a list of all the accounts that follow you. Scroll through the list until you find the follower you want to remove. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of followers, because the list may be long. When you locate the person you want to remove, look for the three dots next to their name or profile. Click those three dots to open the options menu. In that menu, select Remove this follower. X will then remove that account from your follower list right away. This means they will no longer follow you, and they won't be automatically seeing your posts in their feed as a follower anymore. It's a very simple process, but it's important to remember that this is one of the easiest ways to manage who can follow your account without blocking them completely. If you ever need to remove more followers, just repeat the same steps, go to your profile, open your followers list, find the account, tap the three dots, and choose Remove this follower. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to remove x.com Twitter followers in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.